How to change your avatar in Asphalt 8. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Asphalt 8 and looking to change your avatar, then here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Asphalt 8 game on your device, and once you're inside the game homepage, which looks like this, go ahead and tap on the avatar icon at the top left corner, which will take you to this page where you'll need to tap the pencil button right underneath your current avatar. And from the available avatars on the next page, select the one you want to change to. You'll be able to see some of the avatars are already unlocked while some needs to be unlocked. Simply go ahead and continue with the game, and after completing certain levels, you'll be able to unlock more avatars. After choosing the avatar you want, click on the use option on the left, and you'll be able to change your in-game avatar quickly and easily. So that's how you change your profile avatar in Asphalt 8 in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.